Hey guys, it's LaTonya Paddock with Berkshire Hathaway. I am here today with Ron Meier. He is with Bingo Reverse Mortgage. He is truly the expert in this arena, reverse mortgages. There's a lot of unknowns. I'm getting a lot of phone calls, some conversations. As an example, I have sent a client to several clients, but this particular client, there was an option for him to actually receive a check each month as payment.
Yeah, so in a refinance, a homeowner can now take cash out of the loan in three different ways.
Okay.
They can get it in the monthly payment that you were talking about, and that can be structured in a couple of different ways depending on that individual need for that particular family. Okay. And that can really go a long way to help supplement, that retirement income that people have, pension, Social Security, whatever. Another way is to take a lump sum at closing. Okay, so now they can get all the loan proceeds that would be available to them at closing and utilize those funds however they want to do that. Okay, or another alternative would be if they don't necessarily need cash at closing, they could set up a line of credit within the mortgage. Now, the line of credit is basically unused loan proceeds, okay? And those loan proceeds would be available to the borrower anytime they wanted them.
Whenever.
Wanted or needed them, And the key thing to understand about the line of credit is that FHA, the government, says by law, this particular line of credit has to grow at the same interest rate as the loan. Okay, so this is a growing line of credit that now people utilize. And this function of this is really powerful because what we find is that as we grow older, oftentimes our healthcare expenses grow.
Yes.
Okay, and as those healthcare costs grow, not all of us have the buckets of money, if you will, to be able to pay for that healthcare cost. And so this becomes a really powerful tool to help someone have the bucket of money that they need to pay for those higher healthcare costs down the road as they grow older. So again, it's a compounding interest type of a situation. And as we all know and have learned about compounding interest, the earlier you take out your reverse mortgage, age 62 is the minimum age, the longer it has to compound and get bigger. So
that's amazing.
Yeah, it's a very, very powerful tool.
It is.
Yeah, very powerful tool.
Now, the specific requirements for a reverse mortgage, you touched on the age. Are there any other?
Yeah, so there's some basics that people need to understand. All borrowers on title must be age 62 or older.
Okay.
Now, we do have a younger spouse provision, a non-borrowing spouse provision, when one of those spouses is younger than 62, and we can take that as a case-by-case basis if someone's interested in learning more about that. But the other requirements would be about the loan qualification. And loan qualification for these loans are really pretty simple. We will pull a credit report, but we don't look at a credit score. We just want to see that someone's paid their bills on time. Okay? We want to see their credit worthiness.
Sure.
But beyond that, the only qualifications is that we want to look specifically at retirement income, so Social Security, pensions, any other investments, 401ks that someone might have. And out of their retirement income, the qualification is they need to pay their own personal living expenses, their property taxes, their homeowner's insurance, maintain their home, and then those HOA fees if they live in that community. If they can do all those, they will qualify for a reverse mortgage loan.
Easy as that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, Ron, you are amazing. I learn something from you every single time I talk with you. You really are the person that I trust with my clients to give honest feedback and to be knowledgeable in this very topic. And you are number one in my book. So thank you very much for sharing. If our viewers want to get in touch with you, how can they do that?
So I represent a Bingo Reverse Mortgage, and my direct phone number is 303-898-7046.
Thanks for watching.